HP Incorporation. HP Incorporation is an American multinational information technology company headquartered in Palo Alto, California, that develops personal computers, PCs, printers, and related supplies, as well as 3D printing services. It was formed on November 1, 2015, as the legal successor of the original Hewlett-Packard, after the company's enterprise product and business services divisions were spun off as a new publicly traded company, Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. HP is listed on the New York Stock Exchange and is a constituent of the S&P 500 index. As of 2024, it is the world's second-largest personal computer vendor by unit sales after Lenovo and ahead of Dell. In the 2023 Fortune 500 list, HP is ranked 63rd largest United States corporation by total revenue. History: Hewlett-Packard, founded in 1939 by Bill Hewlett and David Packard, was split into two companies in 2015, HP Incorporation and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. HP Incorporation. In 2016, HP introduced a new PC gaming sub-brand called Omen, including gaming laptops and desktops. In May and August 2016, certain assets were sold to OpenText. In November 2017, HP acquired Samsung Electronics printer division for $1.05 billion. In February 2021, HP announced its acquisition of Kingston's gaming division HyperX for $425 million. In February 2022, HP acquired Choose Packaging to strengthen its capabilities in the sustainable packaging vertical. In March 2022, HP announced the acquisition of Poly Incorporated in an all-cash transaction. In 2019, Xerox was contemplating acquiring HP, but HP rejected two unsolicited offers. Xerox raised its bid to $24 per share in February 2020. HP instituted a shareholder rights plan to fend off Xerox's pursuit of a hostile takeover and announced plans to offer $16 billion in capital return between fiscal 2020 and 2022. HP criticized Xerox's bid as a flawed value exchange based on overstated synergies. On March 5, 2020, HP rejected an offer at $24 per share. On March 31, 2020, Xerox rescinded its bid to buy HP Incorporation, citing the current global health crisis and resulting macroeconomic and market turmoil as reasons not conducive to Xerox's acquisition. Products and operations. HP is a global technology company that produces personal computers, printers, and 3D printing services. Its consumer PCs are marketed under various brands, including Essential, Pavilion, Envy, Spectre, and Omen. For business computers, it is marketed under Pro and Elite prefixes. HP also manufactures the DeskJet, OfficeJet, and LaserJet series of printers. In 2015, HP announced Bang & Olufsen as its new premium audio partner for its computers and devices. In fiscal year 2023, total revenue was $54 billion, with over 65% of revenue coming from customers outside the U.S. In Q1 2024, net revenue was $13.2 billion, a 4.4% decrease year-over-year. However, strong operating activities generated $121 million in net cash and a positive free cash flow of $25 million. In May 2024, HP announced that its PC models would adopt a new branding nomenclature, with most consumer computer models, except Omen, folded under the Omni brand. This includes OmniBook, OmniStudio, and OmniDesk models. Controversies. In 2016, HP introduced firmware in its printers that disabled them if users used ink or toner cartridges that did not contain new or reused HP chips or electronic circuitry. This led to criticism and class action lawsuits in the US, Canada, Australia, and Europe. HP claimed the firmware was intended to provide the best consumer experience and protect customers from counterfeit and third-party ink cartridges that infringe on their intellectual property. However, in 2023, PC World reported that HP printers still prevent users from using third-party ink. In 2023, HP was sued over allegations that it intentionally designed all-in-one printers not to perform scanning or faxing when they were low on ink. In February 2019, How to Geek reported that HP remotely disabled ink cartridges when users canceled their instant ink subscription. In 2020, the Australian Strategic Policy Institute accused at least 82 major brands, including HP Incorporation, of being potentially connected to forced Uyghur labor in the Chinese Xinjiang region. In 2022, HP responded to the U.S. Uyghur Forced Labor Prevention Act, stating that it is committed to respecting human rights across its global supply chain and prohibiting involuntary labor. In 2023, HP and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, HPE, faced criticism for providing products to the Israeli police, Israeli prison service, and Israeli Population and Immigration Authority. The BDS movement called for consumers and organizations to boycott HPE IT services and products. Carbon footprint. HP reported total CO2e emissions for the 12 months ending October 31, 2023, at 19,764,400 tons CO2, equivalent, and plans to reduce emissions 60% by 2025 from a 2015 base year. According to a press release issued on April 20, 2021, HP seeks to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2040. Sports sponsorships. HP began its involvement in Formula One sponsorship in 2002, replacing Compaq as the title sponsor of Williams F1 from 2002 until 2005. In 2013, HP extended its sponsorship agreement with Tottenham Hotspur Football Club, taking over the original agreement with Autonomy plc. In February 2024, HP signed a 3-year sleeve sponsorship deal with Real Madrid, marking the first sleeve sponsor in the club's 121-year history. In April 2024, HP signed a multi-year deal to become the title sponsor for the Scuderia Ferrari Formula One team, covering the team's F1 Academy and esports programs. The HP logo will be featured on the team's 2024 car and race suits. HP will also provide services such as computers, printers, hardware, and conferencing technology.